Have you ever woken up in the morning and wished you had an hour more sleep? Or have you ever gotten in bed at night and tossed and turned instead of falling asleep, maybe even for more than an hour? Hi, my name's Gary Kraftsow, and for the past 50 years, I've been a student and practitioner of yoga with a particular emphasis on the art and science of pranayama, the mastery over the breath. I'd like to invite you to a free online event during which I will share with you the principles and practices of pranayama so that you can understand your own breath, its relationship to your autonomic nervous system and your mind and emotions, so that you can adapt the breathing to give you energy when you need it, to calm your system down when you're stressed, and enhance your vitality, even stimulate your immune system. I hope you will come and enjoy this event with me.